Hello, students of class 9th. We are learning from home. In the last previous two videos, you learned about chapter 8, Read for the Top, part 1, Santosh Yadav. Now, here is part 2 of the same chapter, Maria Sharapova. She is a tennis player, right? So, as we learnt about Santosh Yadav and her achievements as a girl, right? The same thing as a girl, Maria Sharapova also faced a lot of troubles, a lot of difficulties, and after that, a Russian girl, how she achieved whatever she wanted, right? Siberian born, lived in Russia, right? So, being a Russian girl, how she achieved her goals, that we have to see in this chapter. Actually, she was a Russian girl, right? And she reached the summit of women's tennis, right? When she was barely 18, as you read about her. See if you can draw a comparison between Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. That also you can do, right? But just now, that you do afterwards. But just now, we have to learn about Maria Sharapova. Okay? Now, there is something disarming about Maria Sharapova. Disarming, that means something very different, something very special that we have to see about Maria Sharapova. Something at odds with her ready smile and glamorous attire, right? Attire, that is behavior, and odds, that is strange, something strange, right? Because she was also always having ready smile on her face, and attire was glamorous, right? And that something in her lifted her on Monday, 22nd August 2005 to the world number one position in women's tennis. When she was at the top, right, in the women's tennis, right, and the entire world came to know about her. That was this day, Monday, 22nd August 2005. All this happened in almost no time. Poised beyond her years. Poised beyond her years, that is the phrase. कि उसकी उम्र से कुछ ज़्यादा स्मार्टनेस होना. That is poised beyond her years. The Siberian born teenager took just 4 years as a professional to reach the pinnacle. Right? To reach the pinnacle means to reach the goal, to reach the particular achievement. Hello. Right? So she was only 4 years, right? At that time, she had to, the Siberian girl was uh, given this sense that you have to achieve something, right? And she was ready for that achievement, right? You can see this picture of Maria Sharapova. However, the rapid ascent in a fiercely competitive world began 9 years before with a level of sacrifice few children would be prepared to endure. Right? However, the rapid ascent means very speedy achievements, very speedy task, very speedy work, system of work, fiercely competitive, in a fiercely competitive world began 9 years before with a level of sacrifice. Few children would be prepared to endure. Endure means here sacrifice. Very few children are there who are sacrificing their lives for something competitive, to be in the world, right? To come in the at the attention of the world. लोग जान सके, लोग समझ सके, वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए कोई एक अगर बच्चा है तो उसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ता है. So, little Maria had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday. अभी तो 10, she was not at all of 10 years when she was packed off to train in the United States. She was having the training. She had to go for the training, right? Where? At United States. Still, she had not celebrated her 10th birthday. That trip to Florida, she had to go to the Florida with her father. Yuri launched her on the path to success and stardom. She had to achieve stardom, she had to achieve success, and for that, she was going towards Florida with her father. But it also required a heart wrenching 2 year separation from her mother, Yelena, and latter was compelled to stay back in Siberia because of visa restrictions. Now it was a heart wrenching, means very sad experience that of how much time? 2 years separation from her mother Yelena. She had to be away from her mother Yelena at this age, at the age of 10 years. And after that, what happened? She had to stay back in साइबेरिया को रुकना पड़ा. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ वीज़ा रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे वीज़ा के, तो उसको वहाँ रुकना पड़ा. द 9-year-old गर्ल हैड ऑलरेडी लर्नड एन इम्पोर्टेंट लेसन इन लाइफ. अभी 9 साल की उम्र में कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखना, एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ में, दैट इज टू टफ. बहुत ही मुश्किल है. दैट टेनिस एक्सलेंस वुड ओनली कम एट अ प्राइस. अगर ये कीमत चुकानी पड़ती है तब जाके कुछ एक्सेलेंस पे पहुंच सकते हैं. टेनिस का एक्सेलेंस हो, एक्सेलेंट वैल्यू पे पहुंचना, एक्सेलेंट प्लेस पे पहुंचना, राइट? फॉर दैट वन हैज टू पे समथिंग. I used to be so lonely, Maria Sharapova recalls money. She is remembering. What she is remembering? That she was very lonely over there at the age of 10. I missed my mother terribly. बहुत ही मिस कर रही थी मैं अपनी मदर को. माई फादर वॉज वर्किंग एज मच एज ही कुड टू कीप माई टेनिस ट्रेनिंग गोइंग. उसके फादर इतना तो कमा ही लेते थे कि उसकी टेनिस ट्रेनिंग को कंटिन्यू रख सके. सो ही कुडंट सी मी आइदर. तो हार्ड वर्क करने में ही कुडंट कम टू मीट मारिया. Right? He was unable to come over there and meet her because I was so young. I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. She was the youngest, maybe in the complete tennis player team. So she had to go bed at 8 p.m. The other tennis pupils would come in at, और बाकी के जो थे, वो जो students थे, उनको बेड जाना कब होता था? 11 p.m. and wake me up and order me to tidy up the room and clean it. उनको 11 p.m. को जाना था, राइट? और उसको जगाते थे उस वक्त, और उसको पूरा रूम she had to clean because she was the youngest. So they used to order her. उसको ऑर्डर करके अपना जो काम था वो भी उससे करवाते थे. तो that was the horrible situation. But she was determined that she had to do something. Instead of letting that depress me, I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. And the situation she faced, that depressed her, definitely. But she became more determined. That after she has to pass through all these situations and she has to be a good player too. Of quitting. She did not think of quitting because I knew what I wanted. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. when you are nothing, when you have no background, when you have no backups, even then you have to do something. You want to achieve something. At that time, you have to be very, you have to be in struggle. And in that struggle, you become very hungry and determined for the success. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insults than that too. Steadfastly pursue my dream. Steadfastly pursue means to get very fast. तो इन सब के पीछे I had to think that even after all this humiliation, all these insults, right, at that time, my dreams became very fast. I wanted to pursue my dreams more faster than I thought forever. That toughness runs through Maria even today. It was the key to her bagging the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004 and to her meteoric rise to the world number one spot the following year. What happened? See this. That toughness, वो जो उसके पास टफनेस थी, runs through Maria even today. आज भी वो टफनेस उसमें जारी है. She has that. It was the key to her begging the women's singles crown. वो वुमेन सिंगल्स का क्राउन उसके सर पे आया, उसको मिला. कहाँ पर? एट विंबलडन इन 2004. विंबलडन की 2004 की जो टूर्नामेंट थी उसमें. एंड टू हर meteoric rise to the world. meteoric rise means अपने आप को ऊंचा उठाना इस दुनिया में, वर्ल्ड में नंबर 1 स्पोर्ट द फॉलोइंग ईयर. बाकी की जो ईयर्स थे उसमें भी द सेम थिंग शी डिड. All the time she was in the she got her place among the world. कि मैं कुछ हूँ, I am something, whatever I can do, that she got. While her journey from the frozen plains of Siberia to the summit of women's tennis has touched the hearts of tennis fans. उसका जो सफर था, कहाँ से? फ्रोजन प्लेन्स जो थे साइबेरिया के, वहां से लेकर समिट ऑफ वुमेन्स टेनिस, राइट, दैट टच्ड this her traveling, this her time touched the hearts of tennis fans. For the youngster herself, there appears to be no room for sentiment. No room means there was no place for any kind of sentiments. She did not think about any other thing. Herself, there appears to be no room for sentiment. The straight looks and the answers she gives when asked about her ambition make it imply clear, and she considers the sacrifices were worth it. जो भी उसका sacrifice था, उसकी ये value थी जो उसको मिली थी, whatever she got, right? And whatever she replied with the straight look and determined eyes, she replied everyone. What she replied? I am very competitive. I work hard at what I do. It's my job. This is her mantra for success. Now she always used to tell her mantra of success. And this is the mantra of her success. I am very competitive. I can do anything. Because she suffered a lot for that. She gave the sacrifice of her childhood. Right? So, though Maria Sharapova speaks with a pronounced American accent, she proudly parades her Russian nationality. उसका जो accent है बोलने का तरीका, that was American accent, but even then she felt that she was completely from Russian mentality. She was from Russian nationality. Clearing all doubts, she says. कोई अगर उसे पूछता है, उसका डाउट क्लियर करते वो कहती है, आई एम रशियन. इट्स ट्रू दैट द यूएस इज अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ, because in US she started her training in Florida, but basically she was Russian. But I have Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. आई विल प्ले द ओलंपिक्स फॉर रशिया इफ दे वांट मी. अगर रशिया चाहता है कि मैं उनके लिए ओलंपिक खेलूं, उसके लिए भी आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी, शी टोल्ड. Like any number of teenage sensations, मारिया शारापोवा लिस्ट्स, जैसे कि सभी टीनेज में जाने वाली गर्ल्स होती है, उसको जो सेंसेशंस होती है जिस बारे में, वो था क्या था, फैशन, सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग एज हर हॉबीज. She also developed all this singing, fashion, dancing, everything, right? She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. उसकी जो नॉवेल्स थी वो भी उसको पढ़ना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था. Her fondness for sophisticated evening gowns appears at odds with her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. उसके जो लाइकिंग्स थे उसमें इवनिंग गाउन्स भी थे, उसके साथ साथ पैनकेक्स, चॉकलेट स्प्रेड एंड फिजी ऑरेंज ड्रिंक्स भी उसके फेवरेट टेबल थिंग्स थी. है मारिया शरापोवा कैन नॉट बी पिजन होल्ड और कैटेगराइज्ड. पिजन होल्ड मीन्स अपने आप को एक ट्रेडिशन में ढाल देना. शी वॉज नॉट लाइक दैट. शी वॉज नॉट ऑफ दैट गर्ल ऑफ दैट कैटेगरी. हर टैलेंट, अनवेवरिंग डिजायर मीन्स जो उसको कभी हिलाने वाली नहीं थी, उसकी जो डिटर्मिनेशन थी टू सक्सीड एंड रेडीनेस टू सेक्रीफाइस हैव लिफ्टेड हर टू द टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. All this talent, all these things that was in her by nature, that took her to the top of the world. Few would grudge her the riches she is now reaping. Now some of the people maybe said, okay, now you are at the you have become now rich, right? So कोई कोई उसको ऐसा भी बोल रहा था कि you are now rich, so you are doing all these things for money. Maybe somebody asked. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. टेनिस से उसको जो मॉनेटरी गेन हुआ था, जो फाइनेंशियली गेन हुआ था, उसके बारे में what she is telling. Of course, money is a motivation. If she is finding anything, any reward as a financial reward, that is a motivation. टेनिस इज अ बिजनेस एंड अ स्पोर्ट. बिजनेस तो है ही, साथ में एक स्पोर्ट है. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टू बिकम नंबर वन इन द वर्ल्ड. दैट्स द ड्रीम दैट केप्ट मी गोइंग. पहले तो सबसे ज्यादा वर्ल्ड में नंबर वन होना, यही मेरे लिए जरूरी है. एंड दैट ओनली आई हैव डन, एंड दैट वाज ओनली माय डिटर्मिनेशन, राइट? फाइनेंशियल थिंग इज at its place, but whatever I wanted to do, that is to do something for my country, for myself, for the world, right? So this was her determination. That is her willpower that she has done, and the achievements she got, that is fabulous. So here in this chapter also we learned something about Maria Sharapova. That was the excellent thing that we have known something more regarding this great woman, this bold woman, right? Okay, fine. Now here this chapter reached for the top, and this part I have completed in one video, right? Watch it carefully and find the difficult words. Thank you.